Hey YouTube, here's my frame off restoration for my 1970 GTO, and I just want to put a few videos together on what I'm doing, how I'm putting it back together. I didn't find a lot out there, so I'm doing lots of research, spending a lot of time, but this one's going to be on the front sway bar. So as you can see, I've got the sway bar attached to the lower control arm here, and the grommets fit pretty good on this side. And then it attaches underneath to the front of the frame. I got new rubber grommets under there, and then I painted the whole sway bar, and the brackets. The brackets I think are actually supposed to be black, but I like that color on there. It gives it a little bit of contrast. And as you can see, the fitting on this side, it just doesn't fit really good. And I'm hoping when I let the car down for the first time, put some weight on it, that'll fall back in, then I'll tighten the nut up a little bit and get that going. But the color I used was a Pour 15 stainless steel color, and I did prime it first, and that color looks really, really good. I'm happy with the paint, the way it turned out. Alright, so I'll take a bunch more videos on other pieces to this restoration.